Hello and welcome to this new video, where we will show you how to clear the ABS warning light on Peugeot, Citroën or DS using the Klavkarr 310 car diagnostic scanner. First, plug your Klavkarr scanner into your vehicle and turn on the ignition. Clearing the ABS warning light with a smartphone, Android or iPhone. Launch the application and connect to your Klavkarr by pressing Connection. Select your vehicle make, here we will choose Peugeot. Then select the model 3008-2 2021. Make sure the ignition is switched on, then press It's Done. In the window that opens, select the ABS ECU and press Next. You will see that one or more fault codes are present. Press OK. Tap the diagnosis icon, then select Trouble Codes. You can view the details of each fault code to understand what they correspond to. To erase fault codes, press Clear. An information pop-up will indicate that this operation will turn off the warning light. Click OK to continue. A second pop-up will ask if you want to save this diagnostic session. Press Yes, then Save if you want to store it. Otherwise press No. The fault codes have now been successfully cleared and there are no warning lights on your dashboard. Clearing the ABS warning light with a computer. Double-click the EOBD-Facile icon on your desktop to launch the software. Select your interface and click Connection. Select your vehicle make, here Peugeot, and click Next. Then choose the model 3008-2 to 2021 and click Next. Make sure the ignition is switched on, then click It's Done. Tick the ABS ECU and click Next. A pop-up will indicate that one or more fault codes are present. Click OK. Click Diagnostics, then Read. You can now see the details of the fault codes detected by the Klavkarr scanner. If you wish, you can click Save, then OK to store this diagnostic session in your history. To erase the fault codes, click Clear. An information pop-up will indicate that this operation will turn off the warning light. Click OK to continue. The fault codes have now been successfully cleared and there are no warning lights on your dashboard. Feel free to like and share this video and follow us on our social media channels. See you soon.